Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. Trying to recoup today. Was able to get a hot shower. Water came back on late last night. Trying to get caught up on some laundry, some dishes. And then y'all know that the house flooded last week, a portion of it, when the water came back on the first time. And then it came back on last night. And so doing some cleanup. Our freezer went out Thursday and our refrigerator went out today. But I was able to get a hot shower and we still have everything we need. And I'm going to take you around the high tunnel and show you how things fared. I think you're going to be surprised. So let's go and take a look. My spinach, praise the Lord, is still prospering. It survived. And here are the beets. Not all of them look terrible. Some of them do. We've got to get these pulled up because, as many of you pointed out, if they get the black leaves and the black spot, could mean a mold. But look, some of them look really good. We're going to pull these up. I'm going to try to can. I can't can right now because we're under a boil water notice. And frankly, I can't get enough healthy water that I feel comfortable in wasting my beets on. But you can see we have quite a few nice size. They are not soggy. They are very solid on the inside. So some of them took a hit. It's about 80 degrees in this high tunnel, maybe a little higher. The sun came out. But so we got some work for us this week. Onions did well. We did cover them a little bit. But look, guys, they did really well. My husband has them in wicking tubs, so they're getting plenty of water. My kohlrabi is starting to come up. I'll need to thin it out a little bit. Now let's look at the tomatoes. So, kudos to my brilliant husband. -3 degrees outside, and these bushes are looking fantastic. I even have tomatoes on them, guys. Looky there. And we have some that are ripe that we will be eating today. So on down the line here, I'm sure there's going to be a little bit of damage that will have to come in. This week we're expecting a good week, but look at this. Is that not unbelievable? -3 degrees, and my husband pulled it off. With the help of the good Lord, I do want to say. And here are our peppers. They're looking a little stressed, but look at those jalapeno peppers. We're going to need those because I had to throw some out of my fridge this morning that I canned. And here are the seeds from the seed bed that my husband made. I want to point out, I brought these in the house, and I'm telling you, they didn't do as well as the ones that we left outside. Peppers did fantastic. They are germinating well. We'll be having to transplant some of these in pots. I got some cabbage. I've got, let's see, I have some nata cabbage. Some of my Roma tomatoes that were stayed out here did great. But look at them, guys. Wow. Peppers. These are his marigolds. A couple of herbs that we brought out before, and I had forgotten about them, but he saved them. But it's pretty incredible. Pretty incredible. This cow froze because it wasn't, that morning we got down below 3 degrees. It was 21 degrees. My cabbages are looking good. He's got to get in here and do some watering. It's been very difficult for us to do watering because we've not had water. But hopefully we can save some of these greens. Some of them are going to need to come up. You can see that lettuce down there. I was going to wait for it to flower. I don't think it's going to flower. It looks like it froze, but I can pull them up, and I've got other starters that I can put in the ground. So all in all, we didn't really have a big loss at all. Praise the Lord. Shocking to me how we were able to keep things, or my husband was able to keep things alive in here. We're going to pick these tomatoes and have them for dinner tonight. He'll be able to take that back cloth of it after tonight, because we are supposed to get down to freezing, and then we'll let it air out. We'll go do some pruning through, make sure we get anything that we see may burned or diseased, but I'm not seeing it. There wasn't a lot of moisture up underneath the plastic that he put because we had those radiator heaters up underneath it, and the peppers were up there with it. So not sure we'll do this again next year, but I think if we had a normal winter, and which we did make it to February, we probably would have had a lot more luck in here. But I am so happy with what we do have. So got to get back in, keep cleaning the house, get everything settled, get ready to go back to work tomorrow. Take care, guys. God bless. Again, thank you for all your prayers. I will keep you posted on how our week goes. I did go in and fill up a bunch more jugs of water, because if we continue to have pipe breakage, there could be some water shortages or some water outages this week. So you still need to be prepared. Praying for all you people that do not have electricity still, and for the half of Texans that do not have water. We still have water that we had stored up previously, so we are just fine there. Take care, God bless, and I will be in touch in the next couple of days. Appreciate you guys, and I'll be answering comments throughout the week. I got a lot. Thank you so much. So I will be responding to those throughout the days.